Hello everyone, welcome to TallyDekho. Today we'll guide you through the process of setting up the TallyDekho desktop application. Firstly, open your web browser and navigate to the official TallyDekho website at www.tallydekho.com. Look for the download desktop application button in the top right corner and click on it. Proceed to install the TallyDekho desktop application from either your download list or download folder. Once installed, the TallyDekho desktop application window will open. Now, launch your TelePrime or Tele ERP9 software. The TallyDekho application won't function without Tele being open. Within the Tele software, select the companies you wish to access on your phone. Navigate back to the TallyDekho desktop application where you can find a list of companies and financial years. Choose the financial years based on your requirements. The desktop application allows you to select multiple companies and financial years. In the bottom right corner, adjust the sync interval settings from 30 to 10 minutes. The minimum syncing time is 10 minutes. Click the Save button. Selecting a 10-minute interval means that your tele data will sync to your mobile every 10 minutes. Click on the QR code to enlarge the image. Now, open the TallyDekho mobile application on your phone. Look for a gray line at the top indicating Setup. Click on the Setup button, then choose Scan QR code. Your camera will activate, allowing you to scan the QR code. Return to the TallyDekho desktop application and you'll notice a device name with your name in the connected users section. Click on Approve. You will now see both the companies and permissions associated with accessing tele data. Click Save and Assign, then click OK. Finally, click on Start Syncing. Once the syncing is complete, you'll have to access to all your tele data on your phone. Thank you for watching the video. For any queries or assistance, feel free to reach out to us at the number displayed on your screen.